Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most delightfully bizarre, yet utterly brilliant, tech stories that's been making waves across the internet, especially on Hacker News. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your Strava feed, seeing your friends' runs, their cycling routes, maybe even a tough hike. And then, right there, nestled between a 10K and a mountain bike trail, is an activity uploaded by a hamster. Yes, you heard that right. A hamster with its own Strava account, dutifully tracking its daily wheel running sessions. This isn't a joke, folks. This is the ingenious, and frankly hilarious, project by a physicist who decided to take pet ownership to an entirely new, data-driven level. This isn't just about fun. It's about the sheer creativity and technical prowess behind such an undertaking. The story broke on Hacker News, quickly becoming a top-voted item, sparking endless discussions and, of course, a healthy dose of internet humor. The premise is simple. A physicist, perhaps fueled by a love for data, a knack for DIY electronics, and certainly a good sense of humor, decided to rig his pet hamster's exercise wheel. But not just any rig. One that could communicate with the outside world. Specifically, the Strava API. How exactly does one get a hamster on Strava? Well, it involves a bit of engineering magic. Picture this. Sensors attached to the hamster wheel, meticulously counting revolutions. These aren't just simple clickers. We're talking about precise motion sensors, likely optical or magnetic, feeding data into a microcontroller, perhaps an ESP32 or a Raspberry Pi Zero. This tiny computer then processes the raw rotation data, converting it into metrics that Strava understands. Distance covered, duration, and even estimated speed. It's essentially creating a bespoke fitness tracker for a rodent. But instead of a wrist, it's the wheel itself that's smart. The microcontroller then takes this processed data and, via Wi-Fi, communicates with the Strava API. For those unfamiliar, an API, application programming interface, allows different software applications to talk to each other. In this case, the hamster wheel's brain sends a structured data packet containing the hamster's run details directly to Strava, just as your GPS watch would after your morning jog. The result? A perfectly legitimate-looking Strava activity, complete with distance, time, and even a little map. Though, presumably, the map for a hamster wheel activity is just a dot. The internet's reaction has been exactly what you'd expect. Pure gold. People are absolutely captivated by this blend of science, pets, and internet culture. Comments range from "this hamster is fitter than me" to, "finally, a Strava competitor I can beat." It highlights the power of creative problem solving and the endless possibilities when you combine readily available technology with a quirky idea. This project is a fantastic example of the Internet of Things, IoT, in action, albeit with a furry, four-legged twist. It's not about monitoring your fridge or your thermostat. It's about giving your pet a digital presence, turning their daily exercise into shareable, trackable data. Beyond the laughs, this story is a testament to the maker spirit. It showcases how a bit of curiosity, some basic electronics, and programming knowledge can lead to something truly unique and widely entertaining. It's a gentle reminder that technology doesn't always have to be about solving grand societal problems. Sometimes, it's about making us smile, connecting us in unexpected ways, and celebrating the absurdly brilliant. So, next time you see a new activity pop up on your Strava feed, just remember, it might not always be your neighbor on their morning run. It could just be a very dedicated, data-driven hamster, setting new personal bests and inspiring us all, one wheel rotation at a time. What incredible